How to recover deleted Instagram stories. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily recover your deleted stories on your Instagram app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open Instagram. So now I'm going to quickly upload and delete a story to show you how to recover it. Now to recover the story, go to your profile. Tap on the menu in the top right corner. You might think that you will find deleted stories in the archive, but you will not find them there because the archive is for posts that you have archived or stories that have expired after 24 hours. Tap on your activity. Scroll down. Tap on recently deleted. Here you will find the posts and stories you have deleted for not more than 30 days. In each post and story you will see how many days are left until it gets permanently deleted. To restore the story or post, tap on it. Then tap on the three dots. You will get two options here, delete and restore. If you want, you can delete it permanently from your Instagram. To restore, tap on restore. Here's what Instagram says. If you share this story within the past 24 hours or added it to your story highlights, people will be able to see and interact with it again. If you deleted it from your archive, it will be restored to your archive. Tap on restore. There are three places where you can find this restored story. If you deleted your story in the past 24 hours, it will be restored to your story. If you deleted it from your highlights, it will get restored to your highlights. And if you deleted it from your archives, it will be restored to your archives. So this is how you can recover deleted Instagram stories.